Chalcone 3 was subjected to pressure microwave irradiation to produce various derivatives including 2-hydroxyphenylcyanopyridine, 2-hydroxyphenylacetylcyclohexanone, thieno, 2,3-C, chromin 4-1, and chromin 4-1. The synthesized compounds were characterized by FTIR, 1-HNMR, 13-CNMR, and mass spectra. Additionally, the antioxidant activity of compound 12 was evaluated against two proteins, PDBID, 1-DH2 and PDBID, 3-RP8, and compared to ascorbic acid. Compound 12 was also optimized through DFT, B3LYP, 6-31G, D-P, basis set and identified through X-ray single crystal diffraction with Hirschfeld analysis.
This article was authored by Mona A. Shalaby, Asmaa M. Fahim, and Sameh A. Rizk.